Here's I will show you how to record specific window using OBS. Go to your OBS and select a scene and come to this source section. Here click on this plus icon to create a new source and select window capture. Click on OK. And now make sure you have opened the window or program you want to record using your OBS. Now all you have to need, click on this window drop down, and from this list you have to select the window that you want to record or capture. It could be a browser window, it could be your file explorer window, or it could be a program or software. Just select the window and capture method. You can select any of this. By default you can select automatic. And if you want to capture window with your cursor, then make sure to enable capture cursor option. Then just click on OK. And here we can see only the window is added. Now it's time to resize the window. You can just click any of this handle to resize the window, or you can right click on the captured section, hover over on transform, and you can click on fit to screen. You can again right click on the video transform, you can click on stretch to screen, and the window will be perfect for your screen. Now you can just go ahead and start recording only this window.